All right, Apollo here. You're on the Headshot Heroes homepage. If you're ready to stop using that cropped from a wedding profile pic, you're in the right place. Go ahead and hit book now. Now you'll see our products and packages page. Take a second to see what fits your goal. We've got different packages depending on your goal: essential, executive, lifestyle branding, even team photos. Down here are add-ons. These are the upgrades that turn pretty good into absolutely nailed it. All right, we're choosing executive headshot. Click book session. Next, add-ons. I'm grabbing additional edited and retouched photo and social media crops, so your headshot fits across every platform without weird forehead chopping. If you want details, you can read more right here to confirm exactly what you're getting. When you're set, click next. Now pick your day and time. Choose what works for your schedule. Lock it in. All right, almost done. Enter your name, email, and phone number so we can confirm everything and keep you updated. Double-check your date and your provider, then review your selected package and add-ons right here. Make sure it's exactly what you want. Now, you'll agree to the terms and conditions and the cancellation policy. Quick click, but worth knowing. And this part, do not skip it if you like winning. Subscribe to receive promo info. That's how you get first access to specials, seasonal deals, and limited offers. We keep it useful. No spam, no nonsense, just value. Everything looks good? Hit confirm booking. You're officially on the schedule. Now go get the headshot that matches your ambition.